Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you feel amazing because today I will tell you about how to make a healthy first drink with the ingredients are fruit dragon, melon syrup, jelly powder, basil seeds, and water. And also I need a spoon to stirring and picking up the ingredients and a knife to cut the fruit dragon and jelly. So let's start make it.
First, pour the jelly powder with 4 teaspoons of sugar or according to taste, and pour water as much as 2 cups into the mixture. Then put it on the stove. Turn on the fire. Stir while heated to boiling. Okay, the jelly is cooked. Turn off the stove and pour it into the flat pan. Let it be hardened. After hardened, cut into cubes. I choose coconut flavor. You can use other flavor. Cut the dragon fruit. Wow, it looks delicious. And this is the result after being cut into cubes. Put into the bottle of dragon fruit, coconut jelly, and basil seeds. Oh, look at that. It's so healthy. And add melon syrup according to taste, and water. After that, close the bottle. Ooh, well done. It is finished. But the color of the dragon fruits is superior. The last, put into the freezer.